Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Last time I gave you the real life story of Andhra Valley Corporation, and that time I said I will be talking about market cycles, not only stock market, commodity markets, real estate market, and everything work in cycles. In my next few videos, I'll be talking about gold cycle, real estate cycle, and all other things. But now, in this episode, I'm going to talk about stock market cycle. Number one, I'm sure you all know there's a bull market, there is a bear market. And we can say there is a bunny market also. Market goes up, it's called bull market. Market comes down, it's called a bear market. Market goes for consolidation, goes up, down, not going anywhere. So that is called bunny market. So the market cycle has three cycles: bull, bear, and bunny. If you buy any share, most of the time, there are always exceptions, but if you buy and you hold it for the entire period, and you are not going to make fantastic profit. That I can tell you. To give a simple example, Nifty started in 1995, 1000 as the base index. And after 25 years, now it is around 13,000. And believe me, if you have put 1000 rupees in a bank FD in 1995 and continued that FD, let us say you put FD for 5 years and in 2000 again you renew that for another 5 years, in 2005 another 5 years renew, like that you keep on renewing. Now, probably you will be having 13,000 as the return. The stock market has not given any fantastic return compared to other fixed instruments over a longer period of time. That means taking into consideration one bull market, one bear market, one bunny market. So, forget about stock market. In any field, only the smart people can make fantastic money. And I tell you another real life incident. There is a place in Chennai, a builder launched apartments. It was nearly 400 apartments and he priced 2000 rupees per square foot. This has happened in 2004 and most of the apartments were sold, and most of the apartments were bought by NRIs or people working in Delhi, other places, not in Chennai. What happened while the construction is going on, and within few months the builder understood that the land prices are going higher, and 2005 to 2008 was the biggest bull run both in stock market as well as in the real estate market. So the builder knew that the prices are keep appreciating, the land prices, but he has already sold all the apartments for 2000 rupees per square foot. So he made a simple trick and he stopped the construction. One day, let us say you are working in US, and one day one guy from his office will call you. Sir, you are such a nice guy, sir. You are working very hard to make money, as if he knows everything about you. Probably you are making easy money in US, who knows. Sir, this builder is a very, very crooked fellow, sir, and he has got no approval for this project, sir, and some politician asked for some bribe, he refused to pay, sir, and because of that he will never get a drainage connection, sir. So even if you construct a building, there will be no drainage connection, your drainage water cannot go anywhere, sir. So because of that he has already stopped the construction, sir. Sir, let me tell you, even you hold it for 10-15 years, he is not going to complete the project. Sir, it is your hard working money, hard earned money, and you are such a nice guy, sir. That's why I don't want you to lose. That's why I called you. Please don't tell my name, sir. Otherwise I will lose my job. Then somebody sitting in US, what he will think? And he will approach the builder and say, please give me the refund. Probably he would have sent one of his relatives to check what is happening in the project. And the project, nothing was moving. Nobody was working. Then you call the broker to clarify, call the builder to clarify. The builder will say, yes sir, we have some problem, but don't worry sir, we will sort it out very soon. Then you will get scared. What happens? Please cancel and return my money. So happily he cancelled all the booking and returned all the money. And then waited for another 6 months. And by that time the land prices have appreciated very much, and then he relaunched the project at 6,500 rupees per square foot, and within few days and all the apartments were sold for 6,500 rupees per square foot. This is a real life example, and I do not want to name the builder. I might be getting into legal problems. But what is the moral of this story? Here, the people who purchase the apartments, they are innocent people. They don't have any knowledge about real estate cycle, and real estate prices keep appreciating in Chennai because most of them is sitting in another place. But this builder is a very, very well experienced person in real estate, and he saw that the real estate prices has broken out, and he thought how he can capture the profit. So in any field, I always say only the experts can make money. The amateurs cannot make money. So when it comes to stock market, it's also the same. Unless you are an expert, you are not going to make money. So stock market has 3 cycles: bull, bear and bunny. Sometimes the bunny market can also be taken as a bear market, but when the market is falling, we call this as a price correction. When market is not going up or down, staying in the same place, let us say for 5 years, but 5 years you lose the opportunity cost. So we call this as a time correction. So I'm going to show you the Nifty chart, and you look here. So this is 2003 and this is 2007. So 2003 to 2007, it is a 5 years. In these 5 years, you look at the price here is about 1,400 and look at the price here is about 6,000. So that means in 5-year time, Nifty shot up from 1,500 to 6,000. That means 4 times. In fact, if you have taken from here, it was almost 6 times. 2003 Sensex was 3,000. 2007 Sensex was 21,000. 5-year Sensex has given a return of 700% return. And then what happened? You can see there was a crash, and this is a Lehman Brothers crash. Then after that recover. Then after that market goes for a bunny cycle. Somebody who bought the shares here in 2003, and this is 2007 or 8, this is 2013 or 14. So you can see in the 5 years the market shot up 4 times. Next 5 year market has given 0 return, and now from there you can see here this is a very gradual rise, but though in the chart it shows the gradual rise, and I will say this is a time wise correction. That is because if you look here, this is 2013 where the market is around 6,500. Now this is 2020, market is around 13,000. So this is about 7 years. 2013 to 2020, it was 7 years. 7 years the index has doubled. In fact, 2013, if you have put the money in bank FD, you would have got double the money by this time. So if you take the opportunity cost into consideration, so we can say that this is also a flat market only, and no need to talk about somebody who has entered here and holding until here. They are not even getting the bank FD return. So therefore this cannot be called as a bull market. So I can say the last bull market came in 2003 to 2007, and then from 2007 until today, either it is a bunny market or correction market, bear market. And in fact, in the history of Indian stock market, this 2008 to 2020 is the longest consolidation. And who knows, the next cycle may be a bull cycle, and the next bull cycle, I will not be surprised even if Nifty touches 50,000. In my next video, I will be explaining how Nifty can touch 50,000. Thank you for watching.